let's look at some of my October purchases. I recently had the opportunity to go to Joann Fabrics and they had a lot of different things on sale. So I'm going to walk you through what I got today, including fabrics, yarns, and notions. Before we get started, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. So let's get into this. The first thing I got was this really fun yarn. This is actually for my mom, so it seemed very fall and Halloween. Next, they had so many different remnants in their little remnant bin, so I got this really fun gourd pumpkin one. It was actually over a yard. It's a really nice cotton material. I think it'll be perfect for some sort of fall quilt. Next, I got this really fun spider fabric. So this is about, I think it's 0.6 of a yard, but it's gonna be perfect for some sort of little Halloween thing. And then they had these State Pride fabrics. So I got this Virginia one to try out. It's a really nice cotton quality, but I'm not 100% sure what to do with it yet. Then my husband found this really fun space fabric. It was in the pre-cut section. He loves anything space, so we got that. And then what I'm most excited about is I'm going to try making one of those Mood Society patterns. And it's this really fun capelet jacket thing. So I got this really pretty houndstooth material. It's so soft, it's a cotton. And then it's in this really gorgeous green color. I also got the lining for it, as well as the interfacing that will go in the collar. I got the extra buttons, like I literally got everything to just make this cape, and I'm so excited about it, including the heavy duty needles, as I actually didn't have any of those. And then finally, Joann had their buy 3 get 3 free sale for different threads, and as you may have noticed, I love getting different threads as I use them so often. So I got some for my jacket, and then I got some white, black, and then blue for a quilt. So this was my entire haul. I'm so excited about it. Everything I think came to a little under $100. But if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe.